Want to know how to create a custom client portal in SuiteDash for your business? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end to see how you can set up a portal that's tailored to your needs while also learning about some alternative solutions that might actually be a better fit. First things first, once you've signed into SuiteDash, head over to the Client Portal section, which you'll find under the Clients tab. This is where the magic begins. You can create a space where your clients can easily access their documents, view invoices, and communicate with you seamlessly. Next thing, customize your portal's layout. SuiteDash offers a range of templates to get you started, but what sets it apart is the ability to make it your own. You can modify everything from the color scheme to the content displayed. This flexibility is key when you want to give your clients a branded, personalized experience. Now, let's move on to adding content. SuiteDash allows you to upload documents, videos, and more directly to the portal. This is especially useful if you're offering services where clients need access to contracts, reports, or other important information at all times. Plus, the client can interact directly with the content by filling out forms or even leaving notes. The fourth thing, setting up permissions. One of the most powerful features of SuiteDash is the ability to control exactly what each client can see and do within their portal. You can customize user access, ensuring that each client only has access to the files and information relevant to them. This keeps everything secure and streamlined. Fifth, integrating communication tools. SuiteDash allows for direct messaging with your clients within the portal. You can send and receive messages, track correspondence, and even send automated reminders for things like payments or upcoming meetings. This feature helps keep everything in one place and ensures you don't miss important communications. Next, let's talk about invoicing. SuiteDash allows you to set up custom invoices for your clients, so you can ensure that they get exactly what they need in terms of billing information. You can even set up recurring invoices if you offer subscription-based services. It's all about automating the process and saving you time. Now that we've covered the basics of creating your custom client portal, here's the thing. While SuiteDash does offer great customization options, it's not always the best choice for every business. Depending on your specific needs, other platforms might provide a more intuitive experience or better support. For instance, if you're looking for a more robust CRM system, you might want to look into other options that offer deeper integrations with marketing tools or customer relationship management. That said, before you go, I want to make sure you don't miss out on an exclusive offer. We've got an extended free trial for SuiteDash, but we've also found some amazing alternatives that are better suited for the goal of creating an efficient and streamlined client portal. These platforms also offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get access to the best deals, with exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Check the link in the description to get started with the best free trials and enjoy all the benefits. Don't forget, the right tool can make all the difference in how smoothly your business runs.